Gives me great pleasure this morning to announce the head and deputy head prefects for 2021. The head prefect for 2021 is Kyle Marshall. I'll ask Kyle Marshall to please come forward to the stage.
To you and your prefects, I give this charge. I charge you that you do your best at all times to uphold the good name and traditions of this school, to maintain discipline and to carry out the duties without fear or favor. I charge you to respect the teachers and give them your cooperation and support in the service of the school. Finally, I charge you that in your scholastic, sporting, and private activities, you conduct yourself in such a way that you can be an example to your juniors, and thus help in the development and maintenance of the welfare of this, our school.
I accept this charge on behalf of the new prefect group.
The deputy head prefect for 2021 is Tino Chirozvi. Gentlemen, I present the head and deputy head prefects for 2021. As a school, we congratulate them. It gives me great pleasure this morning to announce, or this afternoon, to announce the Prefect Buddy of Pretoria Boys High School for 2021. I'll read the names in alphabetical order. I will also mention the house in which the boy is. I'll ask that you do not applaud until we have read all the names and we have the matric, or we have the Prefect Buddy on the stage. Prefect Buddy for 2021 for Pretoria Boys High School will be as follows. Andrew Byron, Rissik House. Edwin Art Armstrong. Claudio Belanco, Townhouse. Oliver Binks, School. Willie Buerta, Hofmeyer. Gerald Carlser, Rissik. Dylan Condes, Rissik. Arno de Bruin, Arcadia. Leroy de Vet, School. Devan Derkse van Skalkwyk, Armstrong. Joshua Fisher, Solomon. Andres Fourie, Town. Liam Gillison, Town. Wade Hobson, Risick. Kian Kurs van der Linde, School. Connor McGill, Abernethy. Matthew Mise, School. Joshua Mitchell, Risick. Neo Murebudi, Abernethy. Tabang Mpela, Risick. Tinotenda Mukiwa, Arcadia. Flochi Petla, Solomon. Regan Prus, Solomon. Klolani Ringani, Sunnyside. Mfana Shabangu, School. Callan Stephen, Solomon. Callum Stein, Hofmeyer. Walt Trenecht, School. Avila Tsengiwe, Risick. Piedran Wessels, Hofmeyer. And Seto Zwane, Matheson. Gentlemen, I present to you the Matric Body of Pretoria Boys High School for 2021. We congratulate them and wish them well for their year in office.
Of those to whom much is given, much is required. When at some future date the High Court of History sits in judgment of each one of us, recording whether in our brief span of service we fulfilled our responsibilities, our success or failure in whatever we may hold will be measured by the answers to these questions. Firstly, were we truly people of courage, with the courage to stand up to our enemies and the courage to stand up, when necessary, to our own associates, to resist public pressure and private greed? Secondly, were we truly people of judgment, with the perceptive judgment of the future as well as the past, to stand up when necessary for our own mistakes as well as the mistakes of others, with enough wisdom to know what we did not know and enough candor to admit it? Thirdly, were we truly people of integrity, people who never ran out of either the principles in which we believed or those who believed in them, people whom neither financial gain nor ambition could ever divert from the fulfillment of our sacred trust? Finally, were we truly people of dedication, with an honor mortgaged to no single individual group, and compromised by no private obligation or aim, but devoted solely to serving the good of all? With God's help, may these be the qualities that characterize the lives of those people who go out from the school, and the lives of those who are elected to hold office in it.